Good morning, room service. My name is Elaine speaking. How may I help you?
Yes. Can I order a breakfast, please?
Yes, ma'am. May I have your name and your room number, please?
Miss Cherry from room 123.
Thank you, Miss Cherry. May I have your order, ma'am?
Yes. Can I order one American breakfast?
Yes, ma'am, Cherry. For fresh juice, we have orange juice, tomato juice, tropical juice, pineapple juice. Which one you prefer, ma'am?
One orange juice, please.
Would you like to try our fruit yogurt, cornflakes, rice krispies, or oatmeal? Which one you prefer, ma'am?
One fruit yogurt and one cornflakes, please.
Yes, ma'am. About the egg, whether fried, scrambled, boiled egg, or omelette.
One scrambled egg, please.
Would you like to have a morning bakers, ma'am?
Yes, please.
Will that be all, Miss Jet? Is there anything else?
Yes, please.
May I repeat your order, ma'am?
Yes, please.
Your order are one orange juice and one fruit yogurt and flakes with a cold milk. Miss Cherry, your breakfast will be served about 15 to 20 minutes. Will be fine for you?
Yes, please.
Miss Cherry, your bill is 1,000 pesos. How would you like to pay your bill, Ma'am Cherry? Would you like to pay in cash, credit card, or room charge?